I'm so excited to be out here, like in the nature. All we need is to see some bears, some cougars, some panthers, and it's just gonna be on and popping. I think we need to go find a tent or make our own tent. Kayla, are you insane? Do you hear yourself right now? Why do we need to see these animals? I don't do animals. I love nature, but those animals can stay where they're at. Do you know how big a panther is? That thing could eat us. You mean it'll eat you? Because I love animals. I'm like the animal Doolittle. Call me K Doolittle. Ooh, I like that. Kayla Doolittle is my new name. Alrighty then, Doolittle. Since you want to be called Doolittle, then you need to go find the animals and go whisper to them. And you know what? Come holler at me later and actually tell me what they think and what are they saying about me. Because I know they know I'm just totally just, I'm over it. All right, then I'll holler at you later. I'm about to go get to work because I got to go find these animals and hook up with them. Because I love animals and I love nature. What are your plans today? My plans today is to be normal. I don't know about you, but I want to start this fire. I want to do something. We can roast some marshmallows. You know what a campfire is. Okay, let's get started.
Look at those pretty girls over there. HMMMM. So what? We didn't come to look at girls. Don't be stuck up. I'm not. You're being lame. How? Go get their number. Says the one who just called me lame? Why don't you? Okay, watch me. Hey, you're pretty. What's your number? Don't be shy.
Hey, I'm Chrissy. Who are you? And what are you doing here? And I don't give my number out to random strangers. Sorry.
I'm Scott. I'm not a stranger.
Well, I don't know you. And like I said, I don't give my number out to random strangers.
Did you get her number? No, she wouldn't give it to me. She's stuck up. You can try, maybe she will give you her number. That's not cool. I'll pass.
Do you know any guy named Scott? If so, he came over here while you went out and about to find those creepy animals. He came up to me and asked me, what's my number? I don't even know him. No, I don't know any Scott. Why are you playing? You can't just make this up. Like, stop making up stuff. Where's he at then, Chrissy? Because I don't see him. What, he disappeared? I'm serious. I can't just make this up. I don't know where he went at, but he did go somewhere. He ran. How did he look? You gotta explain him because I don't know how he looked. Is he a statue? No, he's a human being, just like us. He was bald-headed, dark-skinned, and that's all I remember. He was kind of tall. He's taller than me. Wow, interesting.